Hey, good morning, math kids. So for today, let me walk you through what we're going to do. Hope you guys had a great weekend. You're ready for your new 4th week of virtual learning? Here we go. Okay, so today in your skinny math books, you are going to go to, let me get myself straight here. No, this way. Okay. You are going to go to chapter 11 and do Am I Ready? Both sides of the page. Then you are going to go to your vocabulary cards right next to that and gently tear these out of your book. Gently. Let me show you how. Get your book. I'm going to change the camera angle. Get your book open. Grab just the one page that you need. Put your finger down here so that it doesn't rip. Open that book really wide and gently start tearing right there. As you tear, you're going to move your fingers down the page. Just a little at a time, like that. So I want you to tear out all your vocabulary cards, okay? And then I'm going to have you neatly cut them apart. I'm going to pause for now and show you the end result. So I just cut off the top. See that? You can see a dotted line and scissors. So you're cutting just on all of the dotted lines, and then you're going to put them together like a little book. Okay, coming right back with another instruction. Okay, so I got those all cut out. I want to show you something. So do you see this number right here? It says lesson 11-1. That means all of these vocabulary words are going to come out of chapter 11 in the very first lesson, okay? So I stapled all of the cards that say, 11-1. I stapled all those together. I was also super careful when I cut them not to cut those numbers off, so I know they go together with my first lesson. The next set is 11-3. These words will come from the third lesson. And so on and so forth. And then we've got all our words from lesson 5, and I'm going to staple those together. Okay. All right. Vocabulary words done. The next thing you're going to do is gently cut this page out of your book and cut the top off. So all these things we're doing I called foldables in the directions, okay? So when you go to our math page, today you're going to see something about foldables. This is what I'm talking about. You're going to do your vocabulary words and this foldable. So I've got it. I cut the top off. Now, when I look at the back, I've got dashed yellow lines across the top of those 4 pictures, separating the 4 pictures. Dashed yellow lines. Those I need to cut, but I'm only going to cut down as far as the green dotted line like this. When I get to the green line, I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop right there. Okay? It's really hard to do this on camera because everything's backwards. Okay? That's as far as I'm going to cut on those 3 lines. And then I'm going to fold them down on top of the green line this way so I can see capacity. So I'm going to fold them down so the picture shows. Okay, so I'm going to do that really quick and show you. So it's going to look like this when you get it done. And after you get it done, dun, 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 then I'm going to have you fill in these parts. Okay, and you might, let's look at this. So you won't be able to finish filling out this until you do your lesson. Okay, so fold it and have it ready and fill it out after you learn what a milliliter is, or a liter. And this one you're not going to be able to do until, gosh, maybe lesson 3 or 4, I think. Okay? So just keep this in your book and keep it ready for when you learn that information, and then you can do it. All right. These vocabulary cards you must practice, all right? You need to learn the definition of these because it will be on your test at the end of your chapter. So practice these, okay? Practice your lesson 1 with lesson 1 and 3 with 3 and 5 with 5. Okay. Okay, so I think you're set. You're ready to go and get started with your day. Happy mathing!